This is Celtic Christmas Eve. It's in North Wildwood. It's our first time doing this. We've done Celtic Christmas in the wintertime in Bensalem. It's a big show, 1,000 people. So we decided to take it on the road. The musicians we have actually were the ones that came up with this summer idea. They said, look, we only see each other once a year when we do this, let's do something in the summer. So we have great musicians, Kim Killen on vocals, Kyle Walter on drums. We have Sean Durnans on lead guitar and vocals. We have Laura Elbatimi on piano and keys, myself on fiddle. My daughter Haley's on vocals as well. And Rob Purificato is filling in on bass. And then, of course, Chrissy and the Celtic Flame School of Irish Dance. Chrissy's my wife, and then they dance to us. So it's a really neat partnership that goes together. So we chose the Inlet here in North Wildwood. I have a long-standing relationship with them. I've played music here for a few years with different people. They're very good people to work with, and I said, hey, do you want to take a chance? I'm a teacher in Bensalem. I live there in the winter, spend my summers in Sea Isle, play music all over the place, and produce some fun shows as well.